Yeah, nice day again today. We've got some clouds in here now. There's rain on Super Doppler 7 radar. This rain is something we haven't seen in years.
Weeks.
Been a bit.
It's been a while. But if you have evening plans here in the Omaha Metro, I say it's okay. It's a rain factor of 6 for being and working outside this evening. Just a few sprinkles and showers farther west. Here you go. Live Super Doppler 7 radar. That is a cool front. This is rain, but not all of it's reaching the ground, and it's unlikely to reach the ground as it makes it east as far as the Omaha Metro. Yeah, that's not really what we want, but it's what we have. 81.54, Julie said nice day. Yeah, very pleasant, above average temperatures, and officially no rain. Boy, we need some. Nearly 7 inches now below average moisture. Year to date, a medium or moderate count of weed pollen in the air quality. Not great, just in the medium or moderate range. No tree pollen. There's West Dodge Expressway. Traffic pretty good. It's kind of cloudy. 81 degrees, south breeze 6, dew point 48. That's the problem. Air's really dry, so while rain will try to come eastward, the dry air is going to eat it up. Near 80 in the Omaha Metro, but 73 in Fremont, 66 Columbus, Norfolk, 63 in York. It's rained out here. And the dew points are up in the 50s, but with the dew points 42 in Plattsmouth, 40 in Nebraska City, 43 in Lincoln, and a front coming in here, that's about as good a moisture as we're going to get. See that? That's called a fine line on the radar, meteorological terminology. See that? That's rain, but as it's coming eastward, again, it's drying up. There is a little upper level disturbance here, and there's some potential that some of these showers could hold together overnight tonight and even into tomorrow. So you see the leading edge kind of dry up according to our computer model. Couple of showers possible tonight. Some sun, but maybe a sneaky shower or two, especially into western Iowa in the afternoon. Tomorrow night clears out. And look at this, a bigger cold front, a badder cold front. A more impressive cold front that gives us a strong north wind as we get into the afternoon on Thursday and much cooler temperatures on the way. I'll be optimistic and say a 40% chance of showers that we get measurable rain to actually hit Epley Airfield, but it might only just be a couple hundredths of an inch. 55 at 8 a.m. Slight chance of a shower midday, early afternoon. Tomorrow's temperatures down a little bit from today. Down more on Thursday, and particularly the afternoon will feel breezy and cooler. And then Friday, 38, 57. That's below average. That's really going to feel like fall. And it's not a certainty, but if the winds are light enough on Saturday morning, there could perhaps be frost. That's why we have it as a question mark there. But a nice stretch of weather coming then on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday.
We're going to take any rain we get.